Hello viewers. Today's video is tailored specifically to make you understand about how to recover deleted iPhone call history. For this we would like to introduce a powerful software iSkysoft Toolbox iOS data recovery that can easily and efficiently help to serve the purpose. So let's get started. Before moving any further, you must install the latest iTunes in your computer and disable iTunes Automatic Sync. Then exit iTunes and visit the iSkysoft's official website. You can find the official website link in the description. Get the iSkysoft Toolbox downloaded and installed on your computer. Here we go. Launch the Toolbox and then hit on Data Recovery Tool. Our next move is to get your iPhone connected and mark only call history data type available under deleted data from the device. Now, click on Start Scan to initiate scanning of your deleted data. When the scanning is completed, you can preview your recovered call history on the results page. After previewing, just click on Recover to Computer and confirm it by clicking on Recover again. Your call history will automatically be saved on your computer in an HTML file format for further use. That's about it. If any other type of data from your iPhone has deleted, you can recover them too by following these steps. Make sure to hit like and subscribe to stay tuned for more interesting stuff by iSkysoft. Many thanks for watching.